In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete items from your eBay account. Whether you're cleaning up your listings or no longer selling a particular item, ending a listing on eBay is a straightforward process. So let's dive right in and I'll walk you through each step. First, open your favorite web browser and navigate to eBay by typing eBay into the search bar. Once the page loads, click on the first result that appears, which should take you to eBay's homepage. Here, you'll see a sign-in button on the upper left corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that to enter your login information. If you're already signed in, you can skip ahead. Once you're signed in, look towards the upper right corner of the page where you'll find an arrow next to the words My eBay. Click on this arrow, which will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, choose Selling, which will guide you to your selling overview. In the Selling dashboard, look for the section titled Listings and click on it. After you do that, you'll see an option labeled Active. Clicking this will show all the items you currently have listed for sale. Now carefully browse through your active listings to find the specific one you wish to delete. Once you've located it, position your cursor over it, where you'll notice a drop-down arrow appear next to the listing. Next, click on that drop-down arrow and you'll see various options related to the listing. Choose the End Listing option. This step is crucial because it transitions you from simply viewing your listings to actively managing them. When you select End Listing, eBay will prompt you to specify a reason for ending the listing. You'll be provided with several options, such as item is no longer available, mistake in the listing, or perhaps item sold offline. After selecting the reason that suits your situation best, it's time to confirm your decision. Make sure to review all the information to avoid any unintended deletions. Once you're satisfied, click Confirm, and eBay will process your request to end the listing. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of deleting an item from your eBay account. Remember, managing your eBay listings efficiently can help maintain a positive seller reputation and keep your selling dashboard organized. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy selling!